Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Audible app. First you have to open up the app. It opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we go into the top right corner, tap on the cog. And then we scroll down and under customer support we find delete account. Now here we have a few steps that the app describes how we can delete our account. The first one is going to close your Amazon account, and from here we just have to select the Audible profile, or just look through all the things. Here we can here we can select a reason for why we want to delete our account. Then we can tap on yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data, and then tap on close my account if you're sure about this. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.